Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take clips from YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your YouTube and then you will need to start searching for YouTube Shorts that you want to take clips from. And for example, we can go to here to our YouTube and here we can see or find this YouTube Short. So now all you will need to do is just to go here to remix and then you will be able to start remixing this YouTube Shorts by either taking using the sound or by having a collab or using the green screen so you can start recording inside this video or you can cut this video. And by that, you will be able to have some clips. So as you can see, for example, like that, you can change the layout if you want by splitting, etc. or whatever you like. Then you will need just to click on continue. And now you will have your and then all you need to do is to start um, editing on the clip that you have just clipped. So as you can see, it seems that there is some problem with the camera and it needs some troubleshooting. But all you need to do, you will have like a video as a new shorts, and from there you can start adding your text. You can add another voice, or you can just add some modification or some do some editing on the shorts and basically after that you will be able to publish it and you will have it here on your content and then you can manage it after that by going to your YouTube studio and then go to your uh, content and search for the shorts and basically you will be having it here and from there you can start editing your shorts, etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.